For problem 13, we have during the war, Allies sent food and medical kits to help survivors. Each food kit helped 8 people. Each medicine kit helped 6 people. Each plane could carry no more than 5,000 pounds. Each food kit weighed 20 pounds and each medicine kit weighed 10 pounds. In addition to the weight constraint on its cargo, the plane could carry a total volume of supplies that did not exceed 40 cubic feet. Each food kit was 1 cubic foot and each medicine kit had a volume of 1 cubic foot as well. Assume that those helped by medicine kits were not helped by the food kits and vice versa. What was the maximum number of people that could be helped with one plane of supplies? I do have a little worksheet on Moodle to help you go step by step through these problems. Print out the worksheet or pull it up on your computer, start filling it in. On this problem I have, same thing. Each food kit helped blank people, that's 8. Each medicine kit helped 6 people. Each plane could carry no more than 50,000 pounds. Each food kit weighed 20 pounds, and each medicine kit weighed 10 pounds. In addition to the weight constraint on its cargo, each plane could carry a total volume of supplies that did not exceed 4,000 cubic feet. Each food kit was 1 cubic foot, and each medicine kit also had a volume of 1 cubic foot. Assume that those helped by medicine kits were not helped by the food kits and vice versa. What's the maximum number of people that could be helped with one plane of supplies? All they're looking for is for you to fill in that single blank on this problem. Let's go ahead and start deciphering this. What are the resources? The resources, that's the capacity of the airplane. The resources would be the weight and the cubic feet. Cubic feet is the amount of space. You can imagine something like this. I'm thinking about this room we're in. Pretty big room. Think about if we fill this room up to the top with feathers. The university would not be happy with us, but we filled it up with feathers. Now think about, instead of feathers, we fill it up with bricks. Completely to the top with bricks. The volume of the feathers and the bricks are the same, takes up the same amount of space, that's the cubic feet. But the weight of those are vastly different. Those feathers, while they're going to weigh something, they're going to weigh less than the bricks. So the airplane is bound by 2 constraints there. And those are my resources. Those are the things I can fill up the plane and work with to help the most number of people. The weight on this plane, I'm going to write the limit, 50,000 pounds. And the cubic feet, which is the space, the limit is 4,000 cubic feet. The products, that's the things we want to ship. We want to ship food, a food kit, and a medicine kit. And we want to ship as many as we can to help the most number of people. The recipes, that's food kit. How much of our resources will one food kit use? A food kit weighs 20 pounds. And 1 cubic foot of space. The medicine kit weighs 10 pounds and takes up 1 cubic foot of space. Next question, how many people are helped with each product? The food kit, 8 people. And the medicine kit, 6 people. What are we being asked to find? We're being asked to find what do we send to help the most number of people? How many of each do we send to help the most people? Well, I have to find that. That's not really what they're asking on this problem. But that's part of it. Ultimately, I need to fill in the blank with how many people were helped. How many people?